Sanibona bafethu uvana lo. Yazi I'm worried about Orlando Pirates with this trend ungafuni ukuwina ama-games amathathu or ama-games awu-4 in a row. Because once ubheka in their last 7 games, in their last 7 games bawine ama-games ayi-4. Babewina nje ama-games ayi-4 badrowe ama-games ayi-3. Yabo once ubheka igame esayidlala against isiwelele sayidrowa leyo game. Sawina. Sase sodlala against i-Richards Bay sadrowa. Igame elandelayo sadlala namaZulu sawina. Igame elandelayo sadraw. Igame elandela lapho sawina. Kuzodlala ama-games awu-3 in a row. Ama-game amathathu abaluleke kakhulu for i-Orlando Pirates. Kumele benze sure ukuthi lawo ma-games bawawina womathathu ngokulandelana. Because yabo le trend le ukuthi bafike bawine mase kuba khona igame eyi-1 abayidrowayo. Hayi, ayikho mnandi. Uma be-serious ngempela ukusithatha isicoco. Angibafakeli pressure. I'm just stating ama-facts la ukuthi ke kumele bangadliwa or bangadraw. Ukuthi ke I trust abajidi ukuthi bazolenza iqiniso.